Now we turn our attention back to the weather. And Rebecca, I think this will be one of the biggest stories of the year, how hot it got yesterday. But now what's in store for us?
Well, we do have some cooler weather ahead, but see, we're going to stay well above normal for the stretch of the week ahead. That's probably great news for July 4th. A lot of times we look at July 4th and always wonder if the drizzle is going to stop in time for fireworks. And I don't think we'll do the fireworks this year, though, because we've been so hot and so dry. Now we're going into a 3-month stretch of some unusually dry, hot weather. But today we had a big change happen on the coast. La Push at First Beach is still socked into the marine air and low clouds along the beaches. Much cooler temperatures today along the beaches and even inland from the coast. Long Beach is already broken out of the low cloud cover to see a little bit of sunshine. Pretty day to be on the coast. It's going to be a lot cooler, though. The coast is the one spot that is not as hot as the inland areas will be. We're still expecting temperatures in the mid-100s in some of the places along the foothills of the Cascades. Tomorrow, Wednesday, will be the coolest day of our week, and we're still going to be 10 to 15 degrees above normal. Nonetheless, even with somewhat of the haze that's out there in the skies, we're starting to see the influence of the marine air cleanse the air quality for us. That's certainly a big help. We just need that cooler air to come in further inland overnight tonight, and it does appear that it's on track to do that. Everett at Payne Field, we've got mostly sunny skies, a little hazy there in the horizon. As we go to Seattle's waterfront, it's hazy, so much haze. You can't see Mount Rainier very well at all in the background. 75 degrees, sunny skies, southwesterly wind, 11 miles an hour. Sign of a cooler onshore wind, bringing in some ocean air to Forks at 65 and 68 degrees for Hoquiam. We start to get into the 70s as we push into parts of south of the Olympics, parts of southwest Washington. 77 right now for Chehalis, but 78 for Olympia. Then move a little further east. You've got 82 degrees right now for Puyallup. And now we'll go up the Cascade foothills to Arlington, 82 degrees. Same temperature for Mount Vernon. But inland, places like Bremerton, Seattle, sitting at 75. Checking the wind speed and the direction. Direction is what its key role is to cooling us down. Those westerlies are going to help keep pulling in some of that marine air, and we'll have some stronger pulling in of that marine air tonight. I just saw a lightning strike pop up there around Vancouver Island. Now, that's something we don't want, is dry lightning. We're going to take a closer look at that as we get through the day today, but ultimately, I want to show you how that ridge of high pressure has gone farther east. It is now north of Montana, so that weakens its hold on us, and we'll start to see that core of hot air that's basically on the Cascades right now. It'll be pushing across eastern Washington today. So we have the cool down definitely working its way in for the next 24 hours. Tonight is the end of the excessive heat warning for the west side of the Cascades. Mostly clear skies and overnight lows. Mid-50s around the beaches near the Strait and in the northern islands, but low to mid-60s further inland. So it'll still be cool for many of us, definitely cooler than what we've had. Here are the highs we expect today. 80 for Bellingham and Tulalip and Marysville. Upper 70s further for the inland islands. Then we're going to get close to 90, 91 definitely for Seattle, and into the Cascade foothills. That's where we're going to have 103 to 101 degrees still for some spots. Even around Eatonville, we're watching that one closely because that could be some triple-digit heat still. Low 70s on the coast for highs, and temperatures in the mid-100s east of the Cascades, 118. That is the all-time Washington State record high temperature, and it does look like we're going to hit that in some of the places around the lower Columbia Basin today. So the 70 forecast, mostly sunny today and a hot 91, but do expect things to slowly drop into the low to mid-80s for the next several days. We're even staying dry all the way through July 4th.